Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video with me, Cowie, and today I'm going to be giving you all a full-blown room tour. I do have somewhat of more space than my other house, but yeah, I'll just show you all and hope you all enjoy it. Let's get right into this thing. So walking in the door, you can see that it is hardwood, and I really like this for my room, especially that I can actually use rugs now, which is super nice and just more comfortable in my opinion. And then here I have my dresser with all that stuff in it. And then this is where I keep my instrument stuff with music. And then I got this brand baby. This is actually where I do school at and build with Lego. So, and that's a little bit of a sneak peek of a mock. I try to keep this really tidy. But yeah, there's my seat. I really love this seat. It's like a canvas, modern. It's really nice. And then I have my recording gear. You can see a bunch of random stuff like this for my computer. That's a webcam. And then I just have this as right now, acting as a storage for all my plates. And then I have my light box tucked away, yeah, back there. And this is actually where I record videos too. And just set my light box up here. And it works really nice. And then these are all the stack-ons I have so far. I have like the smaller one with all these, and I have a lot of MOCs built, so that's why these are very, very low. Yeah, they're like really low. And so yeah, that's basically that. And then I did find a bunch of Lego with unpacking. So this is like a lot of stuff I've been missing. Obviously, I'm not going to use all of this because, I mean, who uses a boat for a mock? I mean, you can build them yourself, but yeah, they're pretty useful pieces. Just old ones that I don't really use, you know, like fire trucks. I never even built those, so. But yeah, a bunch of useful stuff that I can use to make other different kinds of mocks instead of the ones I've been making, I guess, like. Maybe some vehicles since I have the wheels there, but yeah. And then this is just a bunch of storing stuff I have. As for my Lego shelf, I just have my modular on the bottom and then some other random stuff. On the second, I only have two shelves of this, so that's where I keep my MOCs at. I want to expand it, but I don't really have that much space. But yeah, so that's my shelf. And then looking under my bed, I have to be creative, so there's a bunch of other Lego. This is like the unsorted stuff. I just have a bunch of it crammed in here because I don't know where else to put it. But yeah, so a bunch of unsorted Lego. And I'm probably classified as that Lego stereotype that doesn't sort, but you know, it's all cool. I have some sort, so that's what matters. So that is going to wrap it up for this video. If you all enjoyed it, please leave a big like below. Tell me what you think in the comments. And just let me know what your favorite part of my room was. If you want to. I mean, you don't have to. Anyway, so long guys. And keep doing what you love.